Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to look into the next quantitative analysis video. So today's sector is the automobile sector. So I've chosen two stocks from the automobile sector, which is Mahindra and Mahindra versus Eicher Motors. So we'll get in and see the basic details to be noted and the basic things to be checked before buying a stock. So let's get started. So here first I will be telling you all what are the parameters to be noted before buying a stock and the comparison between two stocks, which is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited and Eicher Motors Limited, and would be rating it with stars. So the best gets 2 stars and the other gets 1 star. So the maximum stars here is 2 stars. So before getting into the parameters, we'll just see what does Mahindra and Mahindra and Eicher Motors do, what all they manufacture. So first we'll look into Mahindra and Mahindra. So Mahindra and Mahindra is an Indian multinational corporation having its headquarters in Mumbai, India, which was established in the year 1945 by Mohammed and Mahindra and later renamed it as Mahindra and Mahindra. It is one of the largest vehicles manufacturers by production in India and the largest manufacturers of tractors in the world. So the next stock is Eicher Motors. So Eicher Motors is an Indian manufacturer of motorcycles and commercial vehicles, founded in the year 1948, having its headquarters in New Delhi. Eicher Motors has a joint venture with Sweden's AB Volvo called as Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles Limited, which is driving modernization in India's commercial vehicle space. So these are the two stocks which we are going to see and going to compare it with each other, and this is not to recommend or tell you all which is best to buy, because after looking at the stars and the the comparison, please don't hop in to buy the stock, because this is not a stock recommendation from our side. So we just wanted to tell you all what are the parameters to be noted before you get into buy a stock from a particular sector, and make sure you all compare any of the parameter with the stock which belongs to the same sectors. The first parameter to be noted is PE. So the PE for Mahindra and Mahindra is 15, whereas for Eicher it is 26. I've told you all before itself that a company with less PE is a good company. But here you all can see I would have given 2 stars for the company which has which is higher in PE, because it's not the only parameter to be noted to decide on the stock. So this is higher here. I've given 2 stars. Going forward, we'll check other parameters and you'll get to know why I've given 2 stars here. So next is ROCE, which is return on capital employed. So for Mahindra and Mahindra it is 13.64, whereas for Eicher Motors it is 49. So you all can see it is more. So I've given there 2 stars to Eicher Motors. The next one is return on equity. So for Mahindra and Mahindra it is 17.23, whereas for Eicher Motors it is 31.68. So 2 stars goes to Eicher Motors because it's higher. Sales growth for Mahindra and Mahindra it is 8.83, whereas for Eicher Motors it is 0.86. So it is less when compared to Mahindra and Mahindra. So the higher star goes to Mahindra and Mahindra. The profit growth for Mahindra and Mahindra it is 24.55, whereas for Eicher Motors it is 50.3. 0.33. So you all can see it is double the percentage of what Mahindra has. So Eicher gets 2 stars. The next parameter is EPS, which is earning per share. So Mahindra and Mahindra's earning per share is 60, whereas Eicher Motors earning per share is 773 rupees. So the Eicher Motors EPS is more, so it gets 2 stars. The next parameters to be noted: promoter holding. So Mahindra and Mahindra's promoter holding is only 20%, whereas Eicher Motors promoter holding is 47%. NBFC and mutual fund investment. So 9.4% of investment is for Mahindra and Mahindra, whereas for Eicher Motors it is only 5.4%. So Mahindra and Mahindra gets 2 stars. Next is foreign institutions. So the investment percentage is 32%, whereas for Eicher it is 31, so not big difference. But in numbers, Mahindra and Mahindra is more, so we give 2 stars there. Next is debt to equity. So Mahindra and Mahindra has 1.52% of debt, but Eicher Motors has 0.02%. So Eicher Motors gets 2 stars because debt to equity, in a sense, there is no debt with the company, so they've not taken any loans. So loans, when compared to Mahindra and Mahindra, the Eicher Motors loan is less. The total stars: so Mahindra and Mahindra gets 13 stars, whereas Eicher Motors gets 17 stars. So you all can see, in comparison of Mahindra and Mahindra and Eicher Motors, so Eicher gets the maximum stars. You all can see the parameters compared. If you all want to know the meanings and how these parameters are checked, you all can check out my first video on this quantitative analysis. Over there I have explained about each parameter. I will give you all that video's link in the description below. You all can check out. And you all can see the PE for Eicher Motors was more when compared to Mahindra and Mahindra. As I had told before itself, I am telling it to you all again. A company with less PE is a good company, but doesn't mean that all the companies with less PE are good companies. So we have to look into other parameters also before getting into a decision after seeing the PE. So even though Eicher Motors PE was more, this has got the maximum stars because the promoter holding is good here, the the debt is good here, the EPS is very good here. That is the reason for Eicher Motors to get 17 stars when compared to Mahindra and Mahindra, which has got 13 stars. So these are the parameters to be noted before buying a stock. So if at all you all want to buy these any of these stocks, please do your own research and then buy, because this is not a stock recommendation from our side. And if at all you all want me to do the same comparison quantitative analysis in any other stock, please mention in the comment section. I will try to make videos, and hereafter I will try to upload one video daily, so that I can keep everyone up to date regarding the stock news or details of any other stock. So as I always say, all start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.